Hello guys, myself Shubham Jain. I am from Mozilla Campus Club of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, Pune. Today I am going to show you the basics of Photoshop and how to create a simple certificate in Photoshop. So now let's get started. Firstly, we are going to launch Photoshop. So guys, we have opened up our Photoshop. Now we are going to select create new, then go to print and select A4 and landscape as our orientation. Then create. So guys, we are going to learn how to draw basic shapes in Photoshop. Just go and draw a rectangle. On the top you can see the fill menu. You can choose what color you want to fill in your rectangle. You can also choose gradient. You can also choose patterns. For this we are going to fill in orange color. You can also set the stroke of your patterns and adjust its height. You can also adjust its height by entering numbers. If you want to draw in a square, hold down shift. You have simply drawn in a square. For now we are going to turn off a stroke. If you want to draw a rectangle with circular edges, go to rounded rectangle tool. You have simply drawn a rectangle with circular edges. By clicking on this link button, you can change the circular edges of the rectangle simultaneously. If you want to change your edges different, you can also do that by just clicking on this button. If you want to draw an ellipse, just going select ellipse tool. You have simply drawn an ellipse. If you want to draw in circle, hold down shift and you have drawn a circle. If you want to draw polygon of different sides, on the top you can choose how many sides of your polygon. You can just enter 5. We have simply drawn a pentagon. If you want to draw a line, just simply click on line tool, hold down shift. You have simply drawn a line. You can choose the height of your line by entering numbers on the top. We can change the height of the line. If you want to draw a custom shape, on the top you can see the shape option. You can choose different shapes you can draw with your custom shape tool. It's just going to select star and in the board we have drawn a star. So this is all basics of the shapes you can draw with Photoshop. So that's it for the shapes. So till now we have learned how to draw basic shapes in Photoshop. Now we are going to learn how to insert text in Photoshop. First we are going to click on move tool, select all of this shapes and click on delete. Then we are going to select horizontal type tool in which we can create a box for the text we want to enter. For this certificate we are going to use two different fonts. First I am going to show you how to download them. Go to Chrome and search Amsterdam font. Click on the first link. Click download. Click on Amsterdam personal use. Install it. I am getting this error because I have already installed the font. Click on yes. Now we are going to download another font. Search Montserrat. Click on the first link. Click on download family. Now you can install all this font. Now we are going to learn how to insert font. Click on properties menu. Search font. I have already selected it. So this is very nice looking font. For the next font, Montserrat, go to this and search for Montserrat. You can also see the font now. In the properties menu, you can also choose what style of your font, thin, bold, etc. If you want to change the size of the font, click on this icon. You can change the font of the size. You can also change the size of the font. You can also change the horizontal distance between them by clicking on this. You can adjust how much space you want between the font. You can also change the height between the words. You can increase them or decrease them. If you want Photoshop to handle it, click on auto. You can also choose left, middle, or right orientation. You can also change the color of the font by clicking on this. You can choose the color you want for your fonts. So this is all for the font. Now we are going to learn how to draw custom shapes using pen tool. So now what we are going to learn is pen tool. Pen tool is generally used for creating paths. Path can be a straight path or a curved path. Pen tool is used in Photoshop for removing different objects from an image or changing background of an image by making complex selections. It is also used in Adobe Illustrator to make custom art and logos and also used for object tracing. In this video, we are going to use pen tool to draw different shapes and curves. So now we are going to make some shapes using pen tool. First, we are going to create a triangle which is a straight path. Hold on shift to create a straight line and click on white square to complete the closed path. So now we have drawn a triangle. If you want to draw a curved path, first click on, and while clicking on second point, just drag the mouse to determine the curve of the line. This line segment which we are using is known as handle. The lower part of handle creates the curvature of the bottom line, and the upper part of the handle handles the curvature of the top line. So now we have created a closed path. If you want to end this as a straight line, you just have to hold on Alt and click on this point. This handle goes away and you can simply click here to get the closed path using a line and a curved line. So this is basic functioning of pen tool which you can use. Now we can also create shape. Just go to top, click on path, and we can create shape also. If you want to create a triangle, just hold on shift. We have made a triangle. If you want to draw a shape using pen tool, just click on this, and to create a new line, to create a new curved line, while clicking on second point, just drag the mouse to create a new curved line and close it. You get a new curved shape. For this is same as creating shapes with path. If you want to make this a straight line, just hold on Alt, click on it. You have made a curved line and a straight line path as a shape. For this certificate, we are going to use two shapes, which is very basic. First, we are going to use triangle to create a pattern which we are going to use in the certificate. Second, we are going to make a badge which we are going to put it in the certificate. So for badge, we are going to use shapes and also pen tool to draw some ribbons. So now let's create the shape which we are going to use in the certificate. First, I'm going to delete all this. For creating a shape, first we are going to make a circle. Hold on shift, create the circle. We are not going to fill this circle. We are going to have a stroke of this circle of black color and 60 pixels. Now we are going to draw another circle inside it. We are going to place it in the center. We are going to fill this with color blue. Now we are going to make a star in this circle. So we are going to custom shape tool. We have already selected the star. We are going to create new layer for this star because it's a custom shape. We are going to fill this white. We are going to choose from this. We are going to use move tool by correctly placing in the middle. Now we are using pen tool to create the ribbons. Holding down shift, I am going to create so we have drawn the shape. I am going to fill this with black color. For selecting move tool, we are going to press V. This is the keyboard shortcut for selecting move tool. Now we are going to transform this by pressing down Ctrl plus T, and we are going to make it aligned at 30 degrees. So now we are just going here, small down the shape. Now if you want to make a duplicate of this shape, we are just going to hold down Alt, and then we have just simply make the duplicate of this shape. Now we are going to select this shape via move tool by pressing down V. We have make the selection of this shape. We are again going to transform this by clicking right click. We are going to select flip horizontal. So now we have created just the mirror image of this. Now we are going to align. So we have basically made the badge, certification badge we are going to use in the certificate. By using move tool, we are going to select all this, and in the layers menu we are going to firstly rasterize the shape, rasterize the layers. Rasterization means it does not pixelate while zooming in, it will remain a constant shape. Now we are going to merge layers, and we have drawn this badge. We can also rename this. Just double click on it. Just simply write badge. So by using shapes and pen tool, we have created this certification badge we are just going to use in the certificate. So now we have made our first pattern or shape that we are going to use in our certification. Now we are going to make another pattern that we are going to use in our certificate, which is of triangles. We are going to make the triangular pattern using pen tool. First we are going to select the pen tool. Now we are going to make the triangles. Now I am going to make some small triangles. I am just going to duplicate this by holding down Alt using move tool, and just simply set it there. Now I'm going to make another copy of this, just going to set it there. Now I'm going to make another triangle using pen tool. Hold on shift. We make this triangle. select tool. Now we are going to make duplicate of this. We're just going to transform by using Control T. We're just going to make it smaller again. Now I'm going to make another triangle by using pen tool. Hold on shift. We are again going to make copy of this. Make it here. Now we are going to make another triangle by using pen tool. Now made this shape. Now I'm going to make another triangle. So this is the pattern that we are going to use in the certificate. I know this is not looking now nice now. We are going to change the color of each triangle to make it look good. Firstly, we are going to rasterize all the shapes so we can fill color in it, and if we zoom in or zoom out, it does not pixelate. To select all of the shape, we are going to use move tool. To go to move tool, we use the keyboard shortcut V. Now just by dragging all it in our box, we are first going to right click on it and rasterize layers. Now we have rasterized the layers. Now we are going to fill color in it. For the color scheme of the certificate, I am using our campus club logo, Mozilla Campus Club logo. I am going to open it. So this is the logo of our campus club. I am going to using the color scheme of this to fill the color on this triangles. Orange is already here. I am going to fill the other colors in it. First, we are going to use color picker tool to get the color of this yellow. Here is the color picker tool or eyedropper tool. Here we have just picked the color. Hold on X to change to another color, and we have drawn. We have picked up the orange. Now we are going to fill the colors in all the shapes differently. Hold X to change the color. This is the paint bucket tool which we are going to use to paint the different shapes, or you can also use fill, but I'm going to use paint that because that is easy. I'm going to fill yellow color in this. First we are going to select the shape, then we are going to paint tool, and then we are going to fill it. Again we are going to select this shape. So firstly we are going to press V to select this layer, press G to go to paint bucket tool and paint this. Similarly we are going to select this paint bucket tool and paint it. Similarly we're going to select this paint bucket tool and color this. Now I am also using some new color. So double click on this, where you would enter the code for the color which I have chosen. Select this shape with V, paint bucket tool and paint it. Select this shape G and paint it. So now this is the pattern that we are going to use in our color. Let me just slightly rearrange it. These are not matching, so we are going to delete this. We are going to make a copy of this. transform, flip horizontal, and flip vertical. Now we are going to fill color yellow on this. Select yellow, go back here, select this layer, paint bucket tool and paint it. So this is the pattern that we are going to use. From the move tool, we are going to select all. We have already rasterized. Now we are going to merge layer. We are going to name it simply pattern. So these are the two patterns that we are going to use to make the certificate. So till now, we have made two patterns that we are going to use in our certificate. We have also discussed the font that we are going to use in our certificate. We have also learned the basic shapes that we are going to make in certificate. So now let's get started. Firstly, we are going to make them smaller and make them invisible. Similarly, make them smaller and make them invisible. Firstly, we are going to make the border of the certificate. Simply go to rounded rectangle tool. We have made the rounded rectangle. We are going to set no fill. We are going to have a stroke of 30 pixels. And for the color of the stroke, we are going to use 3-color gradient. And we are going to use the same 3-color gradient that we have used in our pattern. We know that we have derived this 3-color from our campus logo. You can use your company's logo to select the 3 colors that you want to put in certificate. So now let's select the color. Click on this. Click on the 3 colors. First we are going to double click on it. Select orange. Double click on second color. Set it to purple. Double click on it to set it to yellow. So now we have made the border for our certificate. For the curvature, we are going to use 100 pixel. So this border looks nice. Press enter. Now we are going to arrange this patterns that we have created in the certificate. Just let me make this little smaller. And simply then we just make copy of it by holding down Alt key and move it to the another side of the certificate. Then transform Control T and flip horizontal. So this is the nice symmetry that we are going to use. Now we are going to import our club's logo. Control T to transform. We are going to make it a little bit more smaller. This smart guide help us to align the logo in the center of the certificate. If the smart guides are not enabled in your Photoshop, go to View, Show, Smart Guides. Smart Guides will help you to align the objects in the certificate symmetrically and at the center. Now we are going to insert some text as certificate of completion. We are going to select this, go to properties, set the font to 28. I'm just going to extend this. And we are going to increase the font of the first word, first letter of each word to 30 point. Sorry. Thirty and 30. So that's it for the certificate of completion. We have arranged it in the center. Now we are going to make two lines for design. Just create two this lines using rounded rectangle tool. We can decrease the stroke to 18. No, we want no stroke, sorry. We can just decrease its height to 40 pixels. Now we are just going to make a copy of this. First move tool, alt key, just like this. Now we are going to insert some text. First we are going to settings, set the length to 20. This certificate is proudly presented to we are just going to align it. Now we are going to make a large column for the name of the recipient. For this we are going to use the Amsterdam font. So go to properties, select Amsterdam. We will set the text font to 30. We will just enter. So this is the name that we are going to enter. Move tool, align it. This looks good here. Now for some content of the certificate, we are just going to create another text box. This is going to be Montserrat, semi-bold italic, 12 pixels. So this is the content for which the participant is receiving certificate for. I'll just move down a little bit. Okay, now for our certification badge, we are going to click on the eye icon and we get our badge. For the badge, we are going to make it a little bit more smaller, make it to the center. Okay, this look nice. Now we are going to add date and signature. We're just going to create a simple line here. Move it little bit down. Create a copy of it by holding down Alt. You just created a copy of it. We are going to add here date. It's going to be semi bold, 13 pixels, paragraph in the middle. Similarly, we are going to here another. Signature. I'm going to make it all caps. We are also going to make it bold. Now we are just going to align them. So now we have created the certificate. Now we can group the text and the pattern differently. Just select by holding down Control and group them together by dragging over the folder option, which is called group, and we can name them as text. And now we can select the all patterns here by holding down Control and dragging it over the folder and name it as pattern. We can also name this layer 0 as background so we'll not get confused. So this is all from today's workshop. In this workshop we created how to draw a basic simple certificate from scratch in Photoshop. I hope you all enjoyed it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.